Hi, this is Heather Castro with Legends Realty. This is 949 Bird Babe Court, Unit 201 in Lake Mary. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo upstairs unit. There is a storage to the left upstairs. As you enter, you are in your living room, and then you also have a dining room combo. There is a decorative fireplace. This is your kitchen with all kitchen appliances included. This is the first bedroom. I would consider this one the master. It's a little bit larger. This is the second bedroom. In the second bathroom, there is a closet that does have your water heater and stackable washer and dryer. And that is 949 Bird Bay Court, Unit 201 in Lake Mary. Thank you for viewing. Have a good one.